Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Kara and today is Vlogmas Day 9. We have a few fun things planned for today. First of all, my mom bought some Christmas lights that we're gonna hang outside and kind of vlog that because that's some bonding experience. And then second, my mom and my sisters and I are gonna make birdseed ornaments. So that's what we have today, and I might find some other fun things along the way, but yeah, let's get into the vlog.
Merry Chrysler.
Hey, hey!
Do I have your consent to be on my YouTube?
My good side.
Which one is that? Do you have one? Dang, spicy! Wow. I like it, Lord. We're in KFC right now, going to get some food. There's my mom. She's somewhere back there. I just recorded a family. Go Queen. Go Queen. We're making birdseed ornaments.
So 1 cup and then 4 cups. Whoa. Oh, I should try on the right one. I turned on the right one.
Maybe. Oh. Good thoughts. It's okay. We all make mistakes.
Go downstairs.
Ow! Oh, that was good. Who put the whisk over here?
It gets bent in this drawer.
Don't care. Never respect your parents. That's weak.
Especially around Christmas time.
Actually, always respect your parents. You get better gifts. Toby, you can't eat it.
Here.
Eat birdseed. He's not a bird.
Do I smell it? I didn't know there was a smell.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever cooked with gelatin.
Well, gelatin's made out of bones of animals.
Oh, nasty.
1, 2, 3, 4. Taste test time. That's the first one.
Just a hole.
Then you just take your little straw and you put it right through the head.
You gotta make it thick enough so that the string will. So talented. You're gonna be an artist someday.
Thank you.
Oh. You never did that.
You're not wrong.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, it's not.
It's not good? Could be the gelatin in it.
You know what gelatin is made of? Animal bones. Dang it! Are you vegan? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, handsome. You're so pretty. Sleepy boy. Hello. So I was kind of deciding what I wanted to do for the rest of the night because I need more content for Vlogmas, and I remembered that I have this blank wall and something really cool. This is my mini projector, and I like to put it like on my nightstand and project YouTube videos onto the wall. So I haven't set it up in probably over a year and a half, so let's do that today. So it's plugged in, then I take the other side, and I don't remember where exactly I put it. I think it's on the side. Right there. There we go. So that's perfect. And then you can like fix it. I just find it really fun because then I can put my phone up on my thing, and it doesn't really let you use like Netflix or anything. I'm pretty sure it kicks you out of the app or doesn't let you use it because on the screen it thinks you're screen recording, so I don't remember. I don't know if it'll let me watch it. we can check. Never mind. It doesn't work. It just does a black screen.
What's wrong?
You can hear it working, but it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work at all. It just shows a black screen. But if you go to YouTube and let's say pick this video, it does work. And the brush is skinny. So good. I'm running my projector right now. I'm gonna watch probably The Bachelor. We'll see if ABC lets me watch that. And then I got my hot fries, my favorite snack of all time, and just a big glass of ice water. Fun fact about me, I love water so much that I would drink it over anything in the world. I know people that hate water, not I. I drink like probably 20 glasses a day. So, look how pretty our Christmas tree is. Oh, I just love it. And then my dad put this little train set around it and it just looks so cute. Last year my mom got me this ornament and it's a little computer and it says IRL Kara for my YouTube channel. I feel like every year she gets me something like an ornament that just means a lot to me. So that was that year. And then there's one year that I was obsessed with pickles. Don't know why. My donut phase. This is me in 2004. But yeah, this is my baby bell. So they gave it to me when I was a baby. And it says 2001 on it, my birth year. But there's just different ornaments that just mean a lot to us. Like my Dutch Bros, I'm obsessed. Just, our entire tree is just filled with things that are very meaningful to us. She just popped them out of the mold. These are our little ornaments for the birds. They're gonna love them. That is so cute. You're gonna hang them up and all the birds are gonna eat them. You should feed it to Toby. Chirp, chirp, chirp. I'm gonna show you guys how to make one of my favorite meals. Grab your griddle. You're gonna set it to like 7 or 8, and then grab your spicy Italian sausages, chicken sausages from Trader Joe's. Then you take your chicken sausages on a cutting board and you're gonna cut them into small little pieces. Yeah. And then all you're gonna do is just stick them on your little griddle. I'm making some for my sister and her friend too, so there's more than I usually do. But I usually let them sit for a little while and add some oil. And then I just kind of let them sit for a little while. I'm also behind on my advent calendar, so I get 7, number 8, and I also get number 9. So now they're like crispy because I left them sit for a while. So what I like to do is kind of shake them. And then for the rest of them, I take my tongs and flip them and let them sit. And then you got your great spicy chicken sausages.
Good man's numbers.
Ready? Try.
Ooh, good.
Hey guys, so right now I'm on my computer. Usually at night I just go and answer questions or comments that I get. I usually get a lot, so all these ones are from today and I've already answered a bunch of them. So I'll just go through and answer comments that I haven't already answered. But yeah, it's pretty fun. And then I'm just gonna start editing today's video and post it, because that's pretty much how my days go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what video you want to see for the rest of Vlogmas. And if you like me, you should totally subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification bell so you get reminded every time I upload a new Vlogmas. And you should also go follow me on Instagram at IRL Kara, because I post a lot more over there. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.